Right direction now being loaded, set, ready for racing, race number 2. Racing just is started. We have Grace Park Boy, break quickly at the start. I'm your lady in between horses. If your honor, please, right direction comes next. Then followed by Master Maker. Camry second last, while Fantastic G is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with Grace Park Boy on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a length and a half lead. Right direction is right behind in second, and in third comes I'm Your Lady, If Your Honor, Please, Camry. Alongside comes Master Maker, while Fantastic G is still in last. Inside the 3 octavo with Grace Park Boy enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Then here comes right direction. Now trying to get closer in second. I'm Your Lady. Camry is racing in fourth. Then comes Master Maker. Then followed now by If Your Honor, Please, while Fantastic G is still in last, and as they swing for home, Grace Park Boy by about 2 lengths. Right direction, still working very hard in second. Last 100 meters, Grace Park Boy now by about 3 lengths. And finally, Grace Park Boy, right direction, Camry, I'm Your Lady, Master Maker, Fantastic G, and If Your Honor, Please.
Okay, Bayang Karibista, ang ating unofficial winner para dito sa ating race number 2. Ito po numero 5 na si Grace Park Boy. Banderang tapos po na segundo, right direction. At ito balikan ng replay dito sa ating race number 2.